today marks a significant milestone in the life of this young individual as we are about to open their coolers for the traditional and symbolic recognition rites. Recognition rite is one of the most awaited part in the life of those who are in uniform service like us. This recognition rites means to formally welcome this snappy police training in our rank and as a best police officer.
This recognition rites is one of the very rich tradition of the PNP and the military.
I have the honor to present to you the 696 strong members of Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, Batch Mansi Club, Class Alpha to November. Ready to be recognized, sir.
By the authority vested in me by the Director, National Police Training Institute, Police Major General Richie Midardo A. Posadas, and as my capacity as the Chief, National Capital Region Training Center, I hereby declare the strong 696 members of Public Safety Basic Course ISOPACE Batch 2023-02 plus Mansi Club recognized effective this day. Congratulations. Kayo ang magre-represent ng gobyerno sa populace o sa community. Not because you are the most junior mammal or junior officer of the PNP, but you are the most idealistic when it comes to the rule of law. It's when you are inside our organization, gratify it, be glad that you are part of this humble and great organization, the PNP. At par when it comes to skill, at par when it comes to stamina, at par at the of strength, initiatives. Ibig sabihin nun, nakakasabay na kayo. Nakakasabay na kayo, and then this recognition connotes that you are already a changed man. Learn to live without fear. Go to such pains and suffering without complaining. Serve the lowest and poorest without counting any cost. Learn to appreciate the beauty of common things around you. Be glad to be alive. I congratulate the Mansi Club Class 2023 Batch 02, and of course kudos and commendation to this very generous and unselfish mentors of yours. That's all. Thank you very much and mabuhay tayo lahat.